Hey guys, my name's Dora. Easter is coming up, so I painted Easter eggs. The eggs are divided into 4 sections: color play, splattered, polka dots, and stripes. And I'm also going to show you what each egg looks like after it's dried, scanned, and digitalized. I found it easiest to make an egg cutout and then trace it onto paper with a watercolor pencil. This saves so much hassle, especially if you're going to be painting more than one egg, which naturally I assume you are. Why not just paint a dozen? Color play eggs are the easiest and definitely the most fun because you're simply dropping in different colors onto wet paper and allowing them to bleed into one another. Simply wet the egg first and then start dropping in light colors. I recommend dropping in bold colors after the egg is very wet. Here I'm going in and dropping in hot pink, and then I'm going to go back over it to make the color a bit more subtle and blended. Here I'm flicking a small brush over the dry egg to create small pink spots. Here I am using a big brush, and you can see a huge difference in the size of the spots. This egg was not quite dry yet. The spots dry very differently on it versus if it were a dry egg. If there are spots in certain areas of the egg, drop bolder colors on top for added contrast. Stripes can act as color dividers. You can drop different colors in different sections of the egg without them bleeding into one another. You can create really cool effects by dropping in bold and bright colors in the lines. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more creative watercolor inspiration, you should subscribe. Stay updated with weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and projects. And if you're interested in DIY bath and body projects, you should definitely check out my other channel.